Hello everyone! Today we will make egg salad. First, we need to cook the eggs. Let the wok lightly smoking before putting the eggs. Drop the egg just above the oil to avoid splashing. Remember, your oil is very hot. Be careful. We want to achieve crispy edges, cook yolk but still molten. Alright, our egg is done. Let's drain it and let it cool down for 15 minutes. Now you can skip the chili if you don't like spicy. Pour our dressing, garlic and chili, and heat it for 15 seconds in high fire. After 15 seconds, turn off the fire, put the eggs in and the salad mix. Be careful when tossing the salad. Make sure you don't break the eggs. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. This egg salad is super easy to make. I hope you will try it and give me feedback.